Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got a story that's going to make your crypto senses tingle. Imagine this: a Bitcoin wallet from the Satoshi era, untouched for 14 years, suddenly wakes up and sends 50 BTC to Binance. Yeah, you heard that right, 50 Bitcoin just like that. So what's the big deal here? Well, this wallet dates all the way back to 2010. Back then, Bitcoin was just a baby, trading at around 5 cents. And get this, the miner earned a 50 BTC block reward when Bitcoin was merely a year old. Can you believe it that 50 BTC was worth just $25 at the time? Fast forward to today and it's worth over $1.5 million. Talk about a glow up. Now let's dive into some juicy details. The Satoshi era refers to the period between 2009 and 2011. That's when Bitcoin's mysterious creator, Satoshi Nakamoto, was active on online forums, sprinkling cryptographic wisdom like fairy dust. But what's really fascinating is how rare it was for individuals back then to mine a whole block on their own. Yet this miner did it. Absolute legend. So, why did this ancient wallet suddenly spring to life? Speculation is running wild, as you can imagine. Some say it could be an early adopter cashing in, while others think it's someone testing the waters. But hey, let's not jump to conclusions. It could be an alien for all we know. Just kidding. But hold on, there's a plot twist. In the past few years, numerous companies have poured millions into state-of-the-art mining machines. They've gone public, and the competition to mine Bitcoin has skyrocketed. Mining difficulty is through the roof. Even machines worth thousands of dollars can't guarantee mining a single block anymore. So the fact that this old-school miner hit the jackpot back then, mind-blowing. But here's where it gets a bit alarming. The reactivation of such an old wallet raises some eyebrows in the crypto community. Could it be a sign of early adopters cashing out? Or worse, could it be linked to some sort of market manipulation? These are questions we need to keep in mind, folks. So, what's the takeaway from this wild crypto ride? First, always keep an eye on the market. You never know when a dormant wallet might spring to life and shake things up. Second, stay informed and do your own research. The crypto world is full of surprises, both good and bad. And finally, remember to laugh a little. The crypto space can be intense, but it's also a community of enthusiasts who love a good story. So enjoy the ride and stay curious. That's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto news and updates. Until next time, keep stacking those saties and stay safe out there. Peace out.